Nokia announced the Banana phone early this year, riding on the nostalgia of the classic Nokia 8110 that was probably one of the most loved phones of its time. But the 2018 rendition of the 8110 is not only an expensive option for a feature phone in the current day and age, but has also arrived late in India. The Jivi Banana 6, priced at 1300 rupees, has exact same look as the Nokia Banana phone. You won't even recognize the difference until you notice the logo at the back. Let's take a look at what this phone is all about. The Banana 6 supports on 2 SIM cards and has expandable storage of up to 8 GB. In fact, you would need expandable storage even to click a photo because the phone doesn't have no free internal storage. The phone charges using a micro USB port, has a headphone jack to listen to radio, music on the expandable storage, take calls. Earphones and charger are included inside the box. Jivi Banana 6 comes with a 2.4-inch color display and is powered by a 1000 mAh battery. The phone is completely made out of plastic and the build quality is nothing beyond its price tag. The slider doesn't fully work with one hand, and if you apply a lot of pressure, you would end up pressing a key or two, and that is frustrating. Now this problem lies with the Nokia Banana phone as well, and it's only worse on the Banana 6. The build quality of the phone is also a notch lower. Anyways, the slider can be used to answer or end calls and lock or unlock the phone. The keys on the keypad are quite tactile but are crowded in a very small space, so you would end up pressing the wrong key many a times while operating the phone. Now the Banana 6 may look like the Nokia Banana phone, but it has different software. You do find most of the options like setting default SIM for call, changing display brightness or blocking calls. And the phone also comes with features like mobile tracker or using it in various Indic languages including Hindi and Bengali. The phone does have a browser, but it doesn't support WhatsApp or Facebook. Banana 6 also has a single camera at the back and is obviously not the stuff of glory. It's a basic VGA camera that you would probably never use. Overall, at this price, Banana 6 is a nice addition to your phone collection. It doesn't promise the world to you, but it looks cute, and if you want to live the Nokia 8110 nostalgia without spending a good amount, it is worth consideration. Do let us know what you think about this phone in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.